Good morning students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to his English environment. In our last episode, we have discussed about the simple sentence. In this video, we will discuss about the compound sentence and complex sentence. First look at the sentence. Amit ran very fast and got the first prize. The sentence has two simple sentences or two clauses. There, Amit ran very fast. He got the first prize. These are called the independent clause. Do you know what an independent clause is? A clause that can form a complete sentence standing alone, having a subject and a predicate, is called an independent clause. She wants to travel the world and see wonderful sights. There are two independent clauses in this sentence. The first one, she wants to travel the world, and the second, she wants to see wonderful sight. So, an independent clause is a group of words. It contains both a subject and a predicate. It expresses a complete thought and stands alone as a sentence. It can also be joined to other dependent or independent clauses to make a complex sentence or a compound sentence. So, Amit ran very fast and got the first prize is a compound sentence as it has two independent clauses. A compound sentence is a sentence that has at least two independent clauses joined by comma, semicolon or a conjunction. The conjunction that combines two independent clauses to make a compound sentence is called coordinate conjunction or coordinators. Now let's discuss different types of coordinators. First, the coordinators of addition. They are and, both and, not only but also, besides, as well as, moreover, etc. Now let's make sentence using these coordinators. And he worked hard and passed the examination. Now both and. The boy is both intelligent and hardworking. Not only but also. He is not only a writer but also a painter. Besides, she knows 400 words besides numerous proper nouns. As well as, my father brought me a pen as well as a pencil. Moreover, he is clever and intelligent. Moreover, he is industrious. Next, coordinators of contrast. They are but, yet, still, nevertheless, etc. But he is a good poet but not a good singer. Yet, he worked hard, yet he did not get first class. Still, he got first class, still he did not get a seat in the college. Nevertheless, he was ill, nevertheless he came to the party. Now, the coordinators of region. For, he came late. For, he faced an accident. Now, the coordinators of result. They are so, therefore, thus, hence, otherwise, or else, etc. So, India played with team spirit, so they won the match. Therefore, he is a good boy, therefore, everybody likes him. Thus, he is very poor, thus, I paid for him. Hence, he was ill, hence, he did not come to school. Otherwise, work hard, otherwise, you will fail. Or else, come regularly, or else, you will be dismissed. The coordinators of choice. They are or, either or, neither nor, etc. Or, You may stay here or go to your house. Either or. The man is either a postman or a policeman. Neither nor. Ramesh is neither sincere nor hardworking. Now let's see the complex sentence. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and one or more than one dependent clause. Now let's see what is a dependent clause. The dependent clause is also known as subordinate clause. It provides a sentence element with additional information, but it cannot stand as a sentence. A dependent clause can either modify an adjacent clause or serve as a component of an independent clause. Simply, we can say a dependent clause is a clause which contains a subject and a verb, but it doesn't express a complete thought. For example, Gopala won't be able to play in the game because he injured his foot. Here, because he injured his foot is a dependent clause. In the clause, he is the subject and injured is the verb. Thus, the sentence is a complex. Again, subordinate clauses are of three types. They are noun clause, second adjective clause or relative clause, third adverb clause. All these clauses have been explained in my other videos. Now let's discuss the compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence has two or more independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. In other words, a compound complex sentence is the combination of a compound and a complex sentence. For example, my brother doesn't like cartoons because they are loud, so he doesn't watch them. Here, my brother doesn't like cartoons because they are loud is a complex sentence. He doesn't watch them is an independent clause, so it is a compound complex sentence. Take some other examples. She likes to sleep in, but she cannot get up early if she has work. Rajesh, feeling terribly for what he had done, fell on his knees and cried. The dog ran off when I chased him, but I did not care. In this way, students, we completed the compound and complex sentences. In the next episode, I will come with a new topic. See you soon. God bless you.